the Omni deck?
Yes, Omni deck.
I'm glad I didn't go chasing these now.
I know.
Has it been these two on it all day?
Yeah, 69.71.
Believe this. It's got Wi-Fi.
Wow. I know these stackers do. Video, but I'll change it to a time lapse.
Why don't you just do a time lapse?
Because this phone doesn't. You have to do like a 30-minute video and then change it to time lapse on some editor program.
Why can't you just click time lapse?
Because it does it far too quickly.
You can pick how often you want to take a picture.
I know you can, but
if you wanted to do one every 2 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever you want.
Can't with videos. prices on that would be brilliant.
I think they also have the contract on the airports next week or week after.
I know they do. It tells you on bus times.
Is it?
Yep.
I'm just going what I'm told by people who work in there.
Nice.
never keeps the right time. They said it was something like 8 o'clock on that 8 o'clock in the evening on that 10 o'clock in the morning to Hexham.
I remember that.
They never kept the clocks properly.
The clock was pretty much broken on it.
The barbecue keeping time.
I know. One of the two.
Was that Merc brought over deliberately?
What?
The Merc.
When you deliberately to Hexham, I'm pretty sure,
I
yeah.
saw Martin put something on Facebook saying they brought that bus over deliberately
They did.
because it was the only
Spare Merc.
they didn't have any of the Mercs that were allocated to Hexham anymore. That was the best they could do. It would have been nice if he said something in the morning. Everyone would have known instead of thinking, why is that here? It just seemed odd having a Merc on that route.
I was lucky to get it.
Have you had any of the Deckers yet? The X10?
I've had them all on the X84, X85.
Have you thought of them on the X10 yet?
Yes.
All of them?
6354 just today.
Which is the one that had the broken mirror?
52 I think.
I looked at my watch and thought, hang on, we're 4.5 minutes early. And it should take a bit longer than it did, but then we passed our ski loop. And then next minute, the brakes are on for Doncaster and we're going across the level crossing. But they should have missed it by about 5 minutes. But we were early because we had one less coach and good driver. And the other one was a couple minutes late. I don't think any of the 91 bashes went for that connection. I never saw anyone else do the dash across for it.
That was lucky.
I was across the other side of the station before it even pulled in. To the point where I managed to get a photograph of them both side by side. I think it was a Christmas day.
No.
You're not that desperate.
No.
If the footbridge at Whitney Bay had been open, I could have done a train to Whitney Bay and then come back. But it was a 1 minute connection, and with the bridge closed,
You wouldn't have done it.
no. I got off the train just as it was pulling in. Missed connection, otherwise I could have had a return journey on Christmas Day.
Compared to the one I had this morning.
He said it was 32 minutes on the way here, but we're 29 minutes so far. Sorry, 23 minutes.
Hasn't had to do many stops.
So this has been about 7 minutes quicker run.